Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to witness impressive sounds from the world of forestry machinery? From the powerful noise of giant machines to the vibrations as they cut and crush huge tree trunks, every moment is filled with drama. Let's get started. Ficon FTX 300 is a powerful crusher specifically designed for tasks such as forest clearing, land mining, and dense vegetation management. With a 310 horsepower engine that helps handle trees and large materials, the optimized hydraulic system reduces working time, while the anti-vibration and air-conditioned cabin provides comfort. Thanks to its flexible crawler, the FTX 300 easily operates on complex terrain, ideal for mining projects that require high performance. Oh my God, what kind of engine is this? Congratulations to Nate Hodges for his great performance. Oh my God, do you see the power of this Timber Pro? This is true power, a true beast mode, completely different. The John Deere 1270G is a great woodworking machine with a powerful 268 kilowatt, 360 horsepower engine and high-performance cutting head, making you unable to help but be amazed by its working ability. A mighty M923 military truck confronts a seemingly invincible obstacle, a tree stump deeply embedded in the ground.
Wow.
Can the raw power of steel and engines overcome the tenacity and resilience of nature?
Oh my God.
For large tree stumps, the Toro STX 26 is the ideal choice. With a powerful engine and compact design, the machine helps easily handle large and hard tree stumps, bringing high efficiency in work. Which saw do you think will win? I think his chainsaw blades might be a bit dull, considering the amount of heat they generate. Sometimes I wonder how long this would have taken 100 years ago. People often complain about poor trees. Bet their house is made of wood. Vermeer SC70TX appears like a hero with a 67 horsepower engine and chain system, overcoming all terrains from soft soil to hillsides. That morning, a group of forestry workers needed to clear fallen tree stumps after the storm, and the SC70TX was ready. The sound of the engine resonates as the machine grinds to a depth of 2 feet 11.76 inches, easily handling any obstacle. Thanks to the remote control system, they can easily adjust and optimize performance. Petzolato PTH1200 is a high-capacity wood crusher, featuring a powerful 500 HP engine, durable rotor, and sharp cutting blades. The machine can produce wood chip volume up to 100 cubic meters per hour and adjustable cutting system, optimizing the production process. This is the ideal choice for applications from household boilers to large power plants, saving operating costs and being durable. Groeneveld Lumberjack LJ 450 are powerful and versatile tree shears, ideal for forestry work that requires precision and high performance. Admire how the machines powerfully pick up each tree trunk and accurate. Each steel arm reached out, clamped down on the heavy wooden trunks, then gently lifted and moved them skillfully. What do you think about this small saw that can cut that big tree trunk? Don't underestimate it. With the Style RS.325 saw chain, 0.06 inch thick, it is powerful enough to handle tough tree trunks that you never expected. Have you heard about this car? It's truly huge and impressive. This is the fastest tree harvesting machine in the world, capable of processing entire forests effectively and quickly. Oh, it's breathtaking. With the outstanding power of the Prinoth M650 forestry crusher, combined with the stability of Fendt Global, crushing tree stumps becomes easy and fast, turning any difficult area into flat ground. You know, like when you see a tree fall and think, oh, it's safe now, but it's not, it's scary. Perhaps he was carrying more than the allowed load, or is this a new unique parking style? Anyway, I hope this problem won't happen again next time. A Caterpillar 24H bulldozer had a tire blowout while working in a hole, but continued to move more than 10 kilometers to return to the warehouse to change the tire. The durability of the equipment and driving skills help complete this not-so-easy distance. The train crossed Cahill's Crossing while the crocodiles silently watched from below the water's surface, their eyes filled with caution. The scene is both majestic and terrifying. This scene takes place in Peru, right on the shore Pacific Ocean. It's unclear what the excavator is planning to do on the beach, but whatever it is, that plan will definitely have to wait for him to fix this problem. Such performances attract attention thanks to the large size and incredible power of the K700. A sudden, powerful explosion occurred, causing drivers and passengers in the following cars to panic. A pontoon bridge in China cannot bear the weight of a truck, leaving the driver no other choice but to abandon the vehicle and witness the unfortunate end from afar. Even though sand was poured to prevent the trailer from sliding on the icy road surface, the driver was still unable to control the vehicle, causing the vehicle to slide continuously, just one step away from disaster. So lucky. What makes the Gazelle like this? Join us in this spectacle. Roads turned into rivers of snow and mud, making towing an extremely important skill. The machine operator, with extensive skill and experience, succeeded in removing his Cat D6N excavator from the creek. Wow, the truck did an incredibly precise job to the point there is not a single scratch.